Hi guys, out at Thornbury today, probably my favourite place. About 7 charity shops and the recycling centre. Managed to limit myself to just 4 items though. We'll do the charity shop stuff first. One of those wooden clip together kits. Cost me 99p in Oxfam. I just thought this one looked particularly nice. So that'll go into my stock. I've got rather a lot of these to get through. I was thinking I might try colouring this one in first before I assemble it, see if that works. Use felt tip pens or something. Probably end up with it all over my fingers. But I was thinking of doing that as an alternative to painting it. And then it looks like we've got a set of racing penguins here, all clockwork. They've got numbers on their back, 1 to 6. So I might have a little go and see if they work. I was going through my head trying to work out the combinations. If I can only hold 2 at a time, how many separate races I'd have to do to race each one against the other one. So if there's 6, number 6 could race 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, so that's 5 races. Number 5 would race 4, 3, 2 and 1, so that's another 4 races. Number 4 would race 3, 2 and 1, so another 3 races. 3 would race 2 and 1, so that's 2 more. And then number 2 would just race number 1 on his own. So that's 5 and 1 is 6. 4 and 2 is 6, and 3, so that's 15 races if I just race 2 at a time. Right, I had to buy this. These 2 are in the recycling centre. Cost me 20p in total. I just saw this. I just thought, yeah, gotta have that. It's a pullback toy. I just left the way his eyes go wild, or eye. And then this, I think it's Baby Born or something. I'm trying to remember the name. Because I had one of these with the doll on top of it. It has a doll that stands on top and holds the handlebars. And I think the one I had was 40 megahertz. This one's 27 megahertz. I've given it a quick try with one of my transmitters, but I haven't changed the batteries yet. It didn't work without changing the batteries. So I'll swap the batteries and see if we can get that one working. Because if nothing else, that'll just be a handy chassis to put underneath something I want to motorise. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.